Welcome to TallyHelp videos. This video is a quick guide on your migration from TallyPrime powered by AWS to TallyPrime Cloud Access (TPCA) hosted on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. This migration gives you a faster, secure, and more flexible cloud platform while retaining your existing plan, data, TallyPrime release, users and configurations. In this video, you will learn about the migration process and things to do in TPCA Virtual Office post-migration. Your Virtual Office migration is planned and executed in batches to ensure a smooth and orderly transition. You will be notified about your scheduled migration well in advance before the migration begins. Before the migration starts, ensure that your TP on AWS Virtual Office is in the stopped state. If it remains running, it will be automatically rescheduled for a later batch. Additionally, remove any unwanted files to free up space. Note that in some cases, the Virtual Office may shut down automatically to continue with migration. Once migration begins, the entire data in your current Virtual Office (TP) on AWS is backed up. A new Virtual Office (TPCA) is provisioned automatically with existing configurations. Your backup is securely moved to TPCA Virtual Office. However, note that a copy of the same backup is retained in your TP on AWS Virtual Office for 30 days. TP on AWS becomes inaccessible during this process. In the self-service portal, the Virtual Office status will change to Migrating Virtual Office. Under Office, click Primary to view the account information like plan, validity, and TallyPrime release. After migration, the Virtual Office status changes to inactive along with the date of migration. Click Connect and confirm that the migration is successful. Your TP on AWS Virtual Office remains inactive for 5 days and then gets deactivated. Backup files remain available for 30 days from the deactivation date. Click Redirect and log into TPCA using your existing Tally.net ID, password, and secure PIN. If prompted, you can reset your secure PIN. Your TPCA Virtual Office will include all the details same as you had with TP on AWS, like the plan, validity, and others. To view these details, under Action, click Manage Users to view the users and the configurations. Similarly, click Manage Shutdown Schedule to view the shutdown schedules. Now, under Office, click Primary to view the account information like plan, validity, and TallyPrime release. When you click Connect to open your virtual computer, you'll see a message confirming that your Virtual Office has been successfully migrated. Before you can access the virtual computer desktop, you must restore your data. So go ahead and click Proceed to begin. You will see two restore options. First is the Restore Data Now recommended. We recommend that you use this option because it is automated, fastest, and the most reliable way to restore your data. Your data is unzipped and placed in the correct folders, all user files return to their respective locations, and your TallyPrime configurations are retained exactly as they were. The second option is the additional options for owners and administrators only. Use this only if you want to restore data manually, upload fresh data, or if the recommended method fails. These options may require help from your Tally partner or Tally support. Click Restore Data Now, recommended. Enter your secure PIN when prompted. Click Restore. A message appears to confirm that your data is successfully restored on the virtual computer. Click OK. TPCA will now restore shared data, My Files, and other folder permissions for every user on your virtual office. Note that only one user should initiate the data restore process at a time. If another user has already started it, you will see the progress screen until restoration is complete. If you want to go with the additional options, let's look at how it works. Click Additional Options. Click Remove Data and Upload Files if you want to start afresh by uploading your own data. Note that this will delete the migration backup file stored on the virtual office during migration. Or click Restore Data Manually if the automatic data restore process fails or you want to manually unzip the backup files. Unzip the migration shared.zip from Shared Data folder and your user backup files from My Files folder. Note that this will require each user to unzip their own backup file to restore their personal data in My_Files folder. Now, you may have started the manual restore process but want to switch to the recommended option. Click the menu option, Help, and then select Cloud Migration Backup Restore. You will see two options. Click Confirm Completion if your manual restore is done, or click Restore Data Now, recommended, to switch back to automatic data restore. Switching to the recommended option will override any manually restored data. Once your data is successfully restored and you open TallyPrime, it will open in the educational mode. You will have to reactivate your existing TallyPrime license to proceed. Click Reactivate License. Enter your Tally.net ID and password. Click Yes to confirm surrender license. As you can see, your license gets successfully reactivated. Now, open TallyPrime and start working on your TPCA virtual office as you normally would. That's it. Your virtual office, along with all your data and the TallyPrime application, is now ready on TallyPrime Cloud Access, giving you better performance, greater flexibility, and an enhanced cloud experience. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.